My darling Mother of God, I want to wish you a very, very happy 75th birthday, and also Uncle Eddie and Godmother, congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. It's such a big deal. I wish I was with you to celebrate, but we're all here all over the world. Godmother, I know I am exactly like you. I've been cut from the same cloth. I admire your zest for life and your creativity. And Uncle Eddie, to me, you are the Hindustan lever man of steel. You were always there to protect me. You were always there to help me, and I appreciate it so much. I wish you both the very, very best. And for this special occasion, I'm going to sing a song for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor chord and the major lift, the baffled king composed it. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throat and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's sing the right. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Happy anniversary and happy birthday. We love you. No, seriously, Mark, I can't keep starting over and over again. Action.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Happy anniversary to you both, and happy birthday, Auntie Mary. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
One,
Happy birthday.
2, 3.
Happy
80th
50th anniversary, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
I said-
Happy 50th anniversary,
Okay, I got it.
auntie and uncle.
Yeah.
Happy birthday,
Yeah, I
auntie.
got it.
Okay?
3, 2, 1. Happy 50th anniversary, auntie and uncle. Happy birthday.
No, birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Billy.
Not Billy, Billy.
Who? Billy?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, go on.
Okay, let's start from the top.
No, just say happy birthday, auntie.
We got it.
Just say-
We got it.
Be
We got it.
joyous.
We got it. All right, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday,
Auntie Millie.
We're starting from the top. Happy birthday, Auntie Millie. All right, cool.
Awesome.